Hello everyone, myself Umesh Gatade, subject teacher from Municipal Temlayawadi Vidyalaya, Temlayawadi, Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn Standard 7, Subject Science, Chapter number 9, Heat. Firstly, see what is the meaning of heat. Heat is a form of energy, and we know energy is a capacity to do work, then heat must be able to perform work. Let's see some example. In this picture, continuous supply of heat increases the temperature of milk and it causes spilling of milk. Also, continuous supply of heat increases the temperature of cooker and which causes whistling of cooker. In this picture, higher temperature of the body than the surrounding causes the fear. In this picture, ice cubes in the glass cools down the moisture in the air in the form of water droplets and which is collected outside of the glass. In winter season, there is a large temperature difference between the body and the surrounding. To get heat, we sitting around the bonfires so our body temperature gets normal. Also, we see in summer season buffaloes are sitting in cold water because of higher body temperature than the surrounding. From these examples and activity, we come to know some properties of heat energy. The sun's heat has many effects and uses. The sun is far away from us. Also, sun's heat reaches towards us by transfer. How heat is transferred? Let's see. When the halwai working in the kitchen and he wanted to put or hold hot substances like spoon, kadai, he wrap up cloths around it. He does that way to avoid a direct touch of hot substances and get a burn. When we wanted to drink hot milk with a stainless steel glass, we hold a handkerchief around it because cloths are bad conductor of heat. This example shows that when we take hot object in the vicinity of cold one, that means near the cold one, the cold object becomes warm and the hot one becomes cooler. From this, we can infer that heat is transferred from hot body to a cold body. Now, see the meaning of transfer of heat. Transfer of heat means the flow of heat from one place to another place. Now see modes of heat transfer. First one conduction, second convection and third one radiation. Out of them first mode of heat transfer conduction, and for that we do a simple experiment, and for that we need nails, candle, knife, base for stuck candle and matches. Firstly, light the candle and put wax drop on the knife's stainless steel part. I am going to stuck 4 nails, so I drop 4 wax spot on the knife. That spot must be 2 cm apart from each. Now stuck the nails like this. First nail is sticking. In this way second, third and fourth nails are stuck. Now I am going to hit one end of knife by candle. Now see what is happening. After heating knives stainless steel part, what we are observing, first nail is dropped. Heat continuously, second nail is dropped. After giving heat continuously to a stainless steel part of knife, we see third nail is dropping. Here we observe that nails are dropping from one end of knife where we are going to give heat. First nail is dropped, then second, third nail is dropping continuously. After some time we see fourth nail also dropped. After doing that experiment, we have conclusions that heat is transferred from hot part towards the cool part. Heat is transferred through solid in all directions. This mode of heat transfer is called conduction. Conduction can occur only in solid. Now, see the second mode of heat transfer, that is convection, and for that we do an experiment. For this experiment, we need water filled with beaker, potassium permanganate, tripod, burner, and arrange this apparatus as shown in this figure. Add potassium permanganate in beaker, light the burner, and observe. When heating begins, the water near the bottom becomes warm and its density decreases. As a result, it moves in upward direction and is replaced by cold water coming from above. You will see streams of waters going upward and coming back to the bottom. Due to the potassium permanganate, these magenta-colored streams can be identified easily. You will see in this picture. In this manner, heat is transferred by means of currents called convection currents, and this process is called convection of heat. Okay? From this experiment, we have following conclusions. First, heat is transferred by means of convection current. Convection can occur in liquid and gases. Heat is transferred only in upward direction. Now, see the third mode of heat transfer, that is radiation. For this, we are going to do a small activity. First, light the candle and put your hands around it like we are sitting near the bonfire. Take your hands near the candle and apart the candle. How you feel? We feel warm. How is this possible? It is transferred towards our hands by means of radiation. From this activity, we have conclusion. First, radiation of heat does not require any medium. Radiation occurs in gases and vacuum. See in this picture, sun heat reaches towards us in radiation mode. Warm air rises in convection mode. Also in this picture, we see three modes of heat transfer given. Now, answer the following questions based on this topic.